That is nuts. Holy smokes. Look how good this is. That is so good. That blows me away. We have reached the final part of our journey to let AI create our Etsy shop for us. We have used it to find our niche, to find our shop name, to actually create our shop sections. Now it's time to create our listing, to put something up for sale using AI. Now we've used it previously to figure out what we're going to sell. What we're going to sell is printable checklists for travel. And it gave us a whole list of sample checklists or ideas for checklists that we could do. We picked a vacation checklist, which I then used AI to help me create the actual checklist, and basically copied and pasted that into a Canva document. We've already done that, so we are ready to go. Now we're going to use AI to actually list this checklist for sale and do the title, the tags, the descriptions, everything that's necessary and important as far as putting our listing up for sale. So let's dive into our Etsy shop right now and into this listing and get it up for sale using AI. All right, so we're in our shop manager. We're going to go to the listings tab, and I have a listing that I did just to get my shop open. It's a sample list, a test listing. This is the one we're going to use to edit for our main listing. All right, so we are going to edit this bad boy. And all right, so we have all this stuff that we're gonna edit. So let's do a title. Let's just start at the top using our AI tool. All right, so I need an Etsy title for a beach vacation travel checklist that's downloadable and printable. Let's go. Give me that title. Big bucks, no whammies. Big bucks, no whammies. Kind of a flop. Beach Bliss downloadable printable vacation checklist. All right, so not really what we want here. All right, I need an Etsy listing title for beach vacation travel checklist that's optimized for SEO and visits. Let's see if that makes a little bit more sense. You got to ask it the right things to get the right things. And just like that, you ask and you will receive beach vacation checklist printable travel planner for seaside getaways instant download. All right, so that seems pretty good. And one thing you can regenerate responses to see if they're different or better. So I'm just going to regenerate this and see if it's better or different, see which one I'm going to use. Beach vacation checklist, printable and download travel planner, packing list organizer. All right, so this one is better. So I like this one better. There's more keywords in there and it makes a little bit more sense. So I'm going to copy that. Boom, paste it in here. We're under the character count, but still a nice beefy title with lots of keywords. All right, so let's edit our photos. We're going to delete this. That was a sample photo. We're going to add a photo here. All right, so this is going to be our photo. You should add more than one. I'm just going to put one here. This was a mock-up that I did in Canva. All right, our photo is added. We can view this, sample this later and see kind of how everything looks. Thumbnail looks pretty good there. We can move that around. Description, all right, here's where the AI is really gonna help us. All right, so I'm just gonna copy this title. I need a product description for the following product title. And I'm using the information that AI already gave me. They already gave me the title. I'm just asking it now to give me a description based on the title they gave me. All right, introducing our beach vacation checklist, a thoughtfully designed printable and downloadable travel planner and packing list organizer to help you prepare for your dream beach getaway. Product details, it breaks it down. I think it is actually 8.5 by 11, so that's the right size. Print ready, clean, organized. Ultimate tool for organizing your packing and ensuring you have everything you need for a stress, fun-filled beach vacation. How it works. Oh my God, they're putting how it works. Purchase the listing and download your printable beach vacation checklist. Print the checklist at home or a local print shop. Start planning and packing your beach adventure with ease. Please note, this is a digital product. No physical item will be shipped. All right, so there's a disclaimer in there. And a thank you. Thank you for choosing Wander Printables for your travel and planning needs. And it remembered my name of the shop because I've been talking previously about it. I didn't ask for that. I didn't put that name in there. That is nuts. Holy smokes. Look how good this is. That is so good. That blows me away. So we're going to basically just use that. Holy crap. No personalization. Price. I don't know. Look, just keep it at $1. Quantity. Let's just change it to 25 in case people buy this thing. Hopefully they do that. That's pretty cool if they would. I'm not gonna. There's no variations. Physical item. It's not. It is digital. I did finished product, made to order, apply, switch to digital listing. I think at the top I have to change the category because the category I just put a sample category. We'll get to that. Oh yeah, here it is. Category. So printable. Or digital prints. Digital, is it a digital print? No, digital. Digital checklist. So you gotta write the proper category here. Digital print, digital drawing illustrations, templates. Planner templates. Yeah, it's a planner template. Okay. Gotta make sure you choose the right one. Any attributes, and then tags. So tags are important because it's SEO. So I need 13 22 character tags. That is. All right, so wait, we're gonna paste this. I need 13 tags that each are no more than 22 characters long for my Etsy listing. That is, I'm just going to do the title here. All right, boom. Let's see if it gives me the tags. Oh my God, and it does. Beach checklist, travel planner, packing list, beach getaway, vacation list, beach packing. Holy crap. All right, so we're gonna copy this. Oh, I don't know if it'll copy the numbers. That's gonna be a little bit of a pain. All right, tags, boom. All right, copy the numbers, so that's a little, that is a little bit annoying, but we can fix it. So how we're gonna fix this, beach checklist. You don't have to separate the words out. The algorithm will do it for you. We're gonna put commas between these and get rid of the numbers, and then hit enter, and it'll make them tags. So you got to do this adjustment. Kind of a pain the way that it does it, but still giving me some really good tags. Actually, I am going to space these out. I don't like them not spaced. Just in case. I don't think it matters when it comes to the algorithm, but just in case. And I'm OCD and don't like them smashed together like that. We're almost done with this. This one may be too long. I don't know. All right, so we're gonna hit enter. pops them down there. All right, they're all the right character count and everything. That's crazy. Materials, I'm not gonna do materials. No returns or exchanges. Shop section. All right, so there's gonna be no shipping. I have to find out, where do I, oh, here. So I have to do these digital file. I have to upload that. All right, so here's where I add the files. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the files because they'll automatically get them. When they buy this, it'll automatically email them to them. So it's gonna be pretty much passive from this point on. And we're gonna publish the changes. And voila, there is our listing. So we can view it on Etsy to get an idea of how this thing looks. Look at that. That is my sample that I created in Canva. Look at this description. Look how pretty the description is there. Wow. It's all organized. It looks good. Instant download. I mean, we got this thing on lock. This is great. So that is the creation of the listing. So you just repeat this process that I went through to create more listings on whatever checklist that I want. I have a whole list that I already got from AI of, I think, 20 other checklists that I could do. I already have this template in Canva. So I would just change the elements, obviously the content, but everything, the structure is going to stay the same. So it's just a repeatable process to go out and pop out more and more listings here on Etsy and get this shop filled out with stuff. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little journey that I've been on to help have AI create this Etsy shop from the ground up. You see how smooth and how easy it was to use AI. You got to be a little bit strategic with how you're using it and asking it the right things and giving it enough information. But if you do that, it's going to give you a lot of solid information to work from and to use to create pretty much what you want to create as far as an Etsy shop. I let it pretty much just guide me, but if you have an idea of what you want it to create, it'll be probably even better for you. But it has guided me to this point to get this shop open. Will this shop be successful? Will this listing sell? I have no idea. You know, I have absolutely no idea. The purpose of this journey was to have it create an Etsy shop from the ground up and kind of see where it took me. Is it viable? Is it practical? Is it a decent shop? Which I think it is. You guys have to let me know what you think of this creation, how I use this to help guide me, help create the Etsy shop. Is it practical for people to use this to give them ideas, to give them a guide, a roadmap? I think it is. I really do. But you have to let me know what you think of this and the journey that I took. Hopefully you enjoyed it. It was fun. It was very, very interesting for it to help me create this shop. So I'm super pumped about AI if it's used the right way. And I had to do this challenge to see where it would take me when it comes to Etsy. And if it's something that you guys want to try, want to do, it may be worth a shot. It was fun. If you like this video, please like, share, comment. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to the channel. There's always new content, new videos relating to handmade sellers, Etsy sellers, selling online, that type of stuff. Until next time, talk to you guys later.